Not only is there blood in the streets, the last couple of days have been a complete and total bloodbath. Millions of dollars have been lost by investors. Some lost everything that they owned. Some, it will take years to recover from this. Some may never recover. I feel neither joy nor sorrow. I'm just telling you what the facts are. Some wish that their charts looked half as good as this, or even a tenth. One of these tokens is very new and it started off so promising, but one mistake by its development team has caused it to lose more than half its value. Now that of course is FRIEND.TECH. In this episode, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, what it does, how it originated, the money, the mistake that was made by the team, everything, so that you can learn from it. But first, make sure that you hit the like button, comment, also share with someone that you care about, and for your own benefit, subscribe. Now, first of all, this video is brought to you by BitFi. BitFi is our partner. We've been with them for over a year. When you sign up for your own account using my link, you're going to earn $2,888 in rewards that you can use to buy even more crypto. When you make your very first deposit of only $200, you're going to receive $200 in stable coins that you can use to buy even more. All right. The biggest reason that I have an account myself, excuse me, is the fact that I'm able to buy tokens and coins that I cannot get on Coinbase or on Crypto.com. Now, we've got a special promotion that just started last week. Look, if you sign up right now, you've got a week left, you're going to get even more rewards. I'm going to show you. Now, you got up until July the 12th, so you got a little over a week left. But let me see here. I'm going to show you all of them. First of all, number one, you have to simply register and make one trade, meaning buy something. Doesn't even matter the amount. You're going to get $20 in stable coins. After you make your very first deposit of only $50, you're going to get an additional $30 in stable coins. Okay, this is in addition to everything else that I showed you. Make your very first deposit of $1,000 in trade. You're going to earn an additional $200. Deposit $1,500 in trade. You're going to earn an additional $300, gentlemen. All right, now you've got another week and a half, another week to take advantage of this. This is valid for American, European, Australian, and New Zealand investors. Rewards are going to be distributed every Friday. The event is only available to the users who register through our official links. That's it. You have to use our links. This is where membership really does have its privileges. As a matter of fact, let me show you something else. Get the app on Google and the Apple Store. Look, I just had one of my girls at BitFi make this for me. It took her a day and a half or so, but this is custom made for me. I appreciate that. You know who you are. You can see my name up top there next to the logo, Asa. And then right here breaks down the rewards. You're leaving money on the table. If you're not, it's the best exchange on the planet. And we're coming for Binance. That's all I'm going to say on that. We're coming. We're coming. And if you're smart, you're coming with us. Now, I'm going to share an article with you. This is from Crypto.com, and it was published on November the 3rd of last year. Explore what friend. Urge. Then down here, key takeaways. FRIEND.TECH is a blockchain-based social platform. Its main feature is token-gated chats. All right. tokens called keys that can be traded. Now, this allows users to potentially profit from a content creator's growing popularity. I'm at the bottom, gentlemen. FRIEND.TECH has shown surges in activity across some key metrics, particularly in the initial period after launch. We like that. The main factors that have likely contributed to FRIEND.TECH's popularity include a monetization concept, progressive web app, embedded wallet, and key price bonding curve, as well as a layer 2 rollup. Now right here you can see the chart of last year. And then you can see where its value did reach a peak in October, into September, October, just over 50. Then right down here, it uses a bonding curve to determine key prices. A bonding curve is like a mathematical formula that governs the price of a token. Okay. And then right here, you can see another chart, the number of keys over time. And then down here at the bottom, there are debates around the long-term sustainability of FRIEND.TECH's business model and potential for a downward key price spiral if engagement declines, meaning if less users are on there being active. Also, rather than incentivizing stable, enduring relationships, the model is based on key trading and price appreciation, which could encourage user turnover. Now, right here underneath that, look at the chart, and it shows you how they keep liquidity and attention. And then over in the far left corner at the top, you see influencers post, participants in the middle, participants, metric. I'm going to link this to the description so you all can go in here and read this on your own time. Then right here, similar platforms. There are similar platforms as well. Now, this article is from Decrypt, and it was written on yesterday. Now, this one was written by Elliot yesterday. I'm proud of that. No, actually, I'm not. I'm just talking. Anyway, let's go down here. The centralized social media platform FRIEND.TECH has decided to keep its token and liquidity on Coinbase incubated layer 2 network base. It was just last month that the team announced it would leave Base and start its own chain. You see, I just highlighted that. They wanted to start their own chain, but now news of the reversal has been even worse for its FRIEND token price than they thought. FRIEND plummeted to a new all-time low, which is 29 cents on Thursday, yesterday morning, per data. At the time of writing, it's trading 25% lower than it was yesterday. Okay, so it rebounded a little bit to 35 cents, but still, it's now less than half the price it was trading at less than a month ago, which was June 10th, the day the announcement was made that they're going to be leaving Base and creating their own platform. All right, and then right here you can see it goes into a little bit more detail as far as the platform. Now, it was launched in August of 2023, so it's not even a year old, 11 months old, and it was greeted with much fanfare. They used the term shares instead of keys at first, and shares made it sound too much like a stock, so they had to change that up. Down at the bottom, I'm reading from. In the months that followed, excitement died down after they had to change it from shares to keys. I mean, all these little catchphrases, these things matter. Little things. It's always the little things. FRIEND was always meant to be 100% community controlled token, they wrote on Twitter. At the bottom, the team also said it has turned off protocol fees for MoneySwap, which is an exchange that FRIEND.TECH uses. And after launching in early May, less than 2 months ago, saw its value peak at 53 million. What did I just say a few minutes ago? But now, at the time of this writing, it's down to just over 10. It's that fast. See there? Then right there in the middle, you can see tweet by FRIEND.TECH Bottom to here, crypto coin analysis. Bradley Park tell you having the top spot on base was FRIEND.TECH to lose. They were one of the leading contributors to the base boom. We've talked about base here as well. So to leave that and say we're going to go do our own thing, as you can see, as of right now, down 27% in the last 24 hours. Okay, I mean, it would have lost a little value, but not nearly as much. And you can see its market cap down at just under 5 million now. It was what, 10 million at the time that she wrote that article. God, I mean, this is what happens though. Down 56% over the last week, gentlemen. It tried to fight back. You can see it kept being sell-offs. You can see its high point over the last month was actually $1.34, and then look, all time in May, price 2 months ago, 60 days ago, it was $3 a share, a key, I should say, and now it's 30 cents. It's lost 90% of its value. Wow. But if you think that it's gonna correct itself, they're going to get it right, then this is the perfect time to invest. I mean, there's not a better time. So this could be something huge, but do your own research and decide. Now, if this video and our channel as a whole has been of value to you, show your appreciation and your support by contributing any stable coin to our address in the description. It helps us to grow. It's fuel, because that's what money is, gentlemen. I've invested in all of you. You invest into the channel. We grow together. That's how we do this here. Okay. In the meantime, get into the library and learn even more. There's so much valuable information in there for all of you. And until next time, get in there and make it